Ailasdang bansang geutuh balay-baw bibi Netanyahu ulab diang ia kaneka purbala sangge, hau benay jimmang. U Donald Trump usyuong baka Amerika kan shim, no ia ka Gaza badka, weng no ia baro ki Arab kiba ye bateng naduh Gaza Strip. Katto katne ka long ka por baka historikane ka long. Shishatun gin ia sanggap ia ka jing kren jongu Donald Trump minta ka sangi.
Homes and safety, and they can live out their lives in peace and harmony instead of having to go back and do it again. The U.S. will take over the Gaza Strip, and we will do a job with it too. We'll own it and be responsible for dismantling all of the dangerous unexploded bombs and other weapons on the site, level the site and get rid of the destroyed buildings, level it out, create an economic development that will supply unlimited numbers of jobs and housing for the people of the area. Do a real job, do something different. Just can't go back. If you go back, it's going to end up the same way it has for 100 years.